Today we will discuss leetcode problem 1464, maximum product of two elements in an array. First we will understand and discuss the problem statement, and then we will discuss the two approaches. First approach is an brute force approach and second approach is an optimal approach, and then we will discuss the code also. So let's start. Let's understand the problem statement. We have to find the two elements which will give the result maximum product. Okay, so here given a nums array 3, 4, 5 and 2. So we have to find the maximum product of two elements in an array. So by we have to find the maximum products, means we have to take the maximum elements, two elements from the array. Okay, this is a very simple logic. Okay, so here 4 and 5 is the greatest number, largest number in this array, and the output is 20, 12. Okay, but this output gives us 20. Okay, but we have to not return 20. Here they have given one formula that we have to find maximum product of two element in an array by using this formula. Okay, so here is an 4 and 5 largest element. So 4 minus 1 is 3 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 into 2, 4 into 3 is 12. Okay, so we have to find like this, means that number minus 1 into that number minus 1. Okay, so this is a problem statement. So let's discuss the approach 1. Approach 1 is an brute force approach. In the approach 1, what we will do, we will take two variables, maximum 1 and maximum 2. Now, and we will take the product variable. Okay, so we will check here if we will implement a simple for loop and take the one element 3. Is 3 greater than 0? Yes, the 3 is greater than 0. So in the maximum 2, maximum 1 value will be stored. In the maximum 1 at initially it is 0, so maximum 2 will remain 0, and in the maximum 1 num will be stored, means 0 will be go and 3 will be stored. Now in the next iteration, number 4 will become 4 is greater than maximum 1, 4 is greater than 3. Okay, so in the maximum 2, maximum 1 will be stored, so 0 will be gone and 3 will become here, and in the maximum 1 number will be stored, means 3 will be gone and 4 will be stored. Now again we will iterate and 5 will become 5 is greater than maximum 1. Yes, 5 is greater than maximum 1, so in maximum 2 we will store 4, and in the maximum 1 we will store that element number 5. Okay, now again we will traverse and number will come 2. 2 is greater than 5? No. Then else if 2 is greater than maximum 2? No, 2 is also not greater than maximum 2. Then simply this for loop will be end, and now maximum 1 is 5 and maximum 2 is 4. Now we will take the product, maximum 1 minus into maximum 2. Okay, means maximum 1 minus 4 into maximum 2 minus 1 is 3, which is equal to 12. This is an brute force approach. Okay, so let's go to the better solution. In the better solution, what we will do, simply we will sort this nums array. Okay, after sorting it will look like nums equal to 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now we will take the product element and we will product into the we will take ending pointer. Okay, ending pointer is equal to n minus 1. Okay, means at starting ending will be at 5. In the product into, we will iterate it count 2 times. Okay, means we have to find the two elements now, so we will take count equal to 2. In the product equal to product into nums of e minus 1, means 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. At starting product is 1, so product will become 4, and e will be decremented. Now e will come here and count will be also decremented, count will be 1. Now product into nums of e minus 1. E minus 1 means nums of e minus 1 means 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. So product into nums of e minus 1, which is equal to 3, which will result to the 12, and e will be decremented to here, and count will be decremented. And now, once the count is 0, then we will come out of the while loop and we will return the product. Product is 12 and output is also 12. Okay, this is an better approach. Now we will go to the optimal approach. Simply we will create here heap. Okay, we will create here maximum heap. Okay, what we will do, we will simply put all these elements in the heap, means 3 will come, 4 will come, 5 will come and 2 will come, and product is 1 and count is 2, means we have to find the two elements, so count is 2. And same it is formula, product equal to product into pq dot poll minus 1. This is a maximum heap. Okay, so this is a maximum heap, so a maximum number will be popped out first. Okay, and after popping we will minus it from 1. Okay, we will minus 1 from it. Okay, so after popping 5 minus 1, which is equal to 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. Product equal to 4 now. Okay, because at starting product is 1, so 1 into 4 4, and count will be decremented. Now count is 1. Again we will iterate and we will come here product into means 4 into pq dot poll minus 1. Now 5 is gone. Now 4 is the largest element in this heap, so 4 will be popped out, and 4 minus 1 which is equal to 3, 4 into 3 which is equal to 12, and again count will be decremented. Once the count is 0, while loop will be ended here. Okay, and simply we will return here product 12. Okay, so this is an answer our. Okay, this is an very optimal approach by using heap. So let's see the code for our approach. Let's write code for our approach. First we will create an heap, means priority queue, which will hold the integer. I will name it as pq, priority queue. Okay, because we are using the maximum priority queue, so maximum heap, so we will convert it into the reverse. By default it is a minimum heap, so I will use your collections dot reverse order. Okay, means now our heap is converted into maximum heap. Now we will implement here simple for each loop. You can also use simple for loop. In num is to nums, it will traverse throughout the array. Okay. Now we will put all the elements from the array into the heap. So here pq dot offer num. Okay, now our all elements are stored into the heap, and it is an maximum heap, so it will store by descending order. Okay, means 5 4 3 2. Now we will simply pop out the last two elements from the heap, and we will make its product. Okay, so I will take here two variables, int count, which is for counting the two elements, means we will decrement count to the 0, and we will take the product of last two elements, means greater two elements. Okay, count 2, and we will take the product as 1. Okay, now we will use here while loop. While count is greater than 0, then we have to take the product of that number. So product equal to product star pq dot poll minus 1, because in the problem there is the maximum product of that number minus 1 into that number minus 1. Okay, I have explained while understanding the problem. Okay, and simply we will decrement the count, and simply we will return the product. Okay, so return product. So let's compile the code. Okay, here is a problem. Priority queue collections dot reverse order. Okay, here semicolon is missing, so let's compile the code once again. Okay, our code is successfully compiled and all test cases are run successfully and accepted. So let's submit the code. Okay, our code is also successfully submitted. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked my video, then like, share and subscribe. And this was our day 39 of 100 days of code DSA challenge. And I am doing regularly videos and uploading on my channel. So if you want to stay with me in the 100 days of code DSA challenge, then you can like, share and subscribe. And after subscribing, you can press the bell icon. So thank you guys for watching my video.